Today we will cover how to use archers in Shogun 2 Total War.
Archers are one of the most versatile and deadly units in Shogun 2, but if you just send them straight into battle without a plan, they'll get overwhelmed fast. So in the next minute, I will explain how to use them. Let's start with positioning. Positioning properly is the key to using them effectively. You will always want to place them on the high ground if possible. High ground gives your archers longer range and better accuracy. Don't place your archers inside forests because the forest will both limit the archer's line of sight and block a lot of the missiles. However, if you are outnumbered or want to protect your archers from cavalry, placing them in the forest will make them last longer. If you're attacking the defenders, they will likely just sit on top of a hill waiting for you to attack. But if you have missile superiority, the enemy will have no choice but to leave its defensive positions. There's a few different ways to win the skirmish: having better quality archers, loose formation, using another unit as fodder, or using forest cover. When your front lines clash, you want to make sure your flanks are secured and then use your archers to fire on the enemy from the flanks. That's everything for today. Don't forget to hit the follow button and give a like if you found this useful.